Hi everyone, how are you all? Yesterday or day before yesterday, I don't remember. I took a live quiz, right? And in that quiz, I gave a few questions to you all. I don't know who all have solved or not, but as it's my duty to tell you, I'm here to tell you the homework question. Okay? So the first question is, what were the main causes of the French Revolution? According to you, what do you think? What were the causes of the French Revolution? Number one, I can say that there was a despotic rule of Louis XVI. There was a despotic rule of Louis XVI, right? Which means that he was very selfish. He spent all the money. Now, to run his palace of Versailles, he is charging the people, right? So second point that I can say is the division of the French society. Division of the French society. French society की division हुई थी, right? There was a division between the three states. Then the third I can say is the rising prices of bread and everything. Number four, I can say, is the revolt by the peasants, right? Revolt by peasants. I hope you all know that what was the revolt by the peasants. The peasants said that the Lord, there was some kinds of rumors spread in the village or whatever, that Lord of Menor has, hired some people to spoil the ripened crop of these peasants. So, there was a kind of afraidness which was in them. So they went to the office and they burnt the manorial dues. They hoarded all the supplies, right? And the fifth I can say is the storming of Bastille. Storming of Bastille, or you can say the fall of Bastille, right? Why was the Bastille stormed? Because Parisians were so angry that the king said the king ordered troops to move, right? So let me clear. This was the answer for your first question, right? And the answer, let's see what's your second question. History is very interesting. How can you say that Louis was a despotic ruler? Very important question. First of all, how can you say that Louis was a despotic ruler? Now, I can say that. Now, listen to me very carefully. Louis XVI used up all the financial resources of France. He used all the financial resources of France, and now because he used all the resources, he's not able to able to afford or able to run his own kingdom. Where does he live? Palace of Tuileries, right? Now he is, sorry, not Tuileries, Palace of Versailles. I'm sorry. He lives in Palace of Versailles, right? Now he is not able to maintain the extravagant, expenses of there. So what did he do? He imposed high taxes on who? Only for the third state. So is this not bad? Right? This is the reason why we say him as a despotic ruler. I hope this all is clear to you. Tomorrow I will every day I'll give you such kinds of questions so that you all get busy. And please everyone, I don't know whether you guys answer or not, but just if you're seeing my videos, please, I give you questions, answer them. That's not for me, that's for your practice, right? So I'll meet you today's evening with some more few interesting questions, right? And I think that I want to conduct a live quiz today evening, so don't forget to attend that, right? And bye bye, take care.